First, click on Withdraw button, then, confirm your withdrawal and sign transaction to initiate the process. Allow up to an hour for your withdrawal to be processed, and then reload your page. To complete withdrawal process, click on Withdraw button and confirm transaction. To withdraw using your mobile device, the process is exactly the same. First, click on Home icon and select Funds. After choosing your currency, click on Withdraw button. Once again, confirm your withdrawal and sign transaction. Give it some time for withdrawal to be processed, and then reload the page. Now, all that's left is to click Withdraw and sign Final Transaction. That's it.